everyone, I'm Raulin H. De Los Reyes, representing in Group 1. I am here in front of you to solve the four given problems in arithmetic sequence. First, let's define sequence as a succession of number which follows a fixed pattern. There are many kinds of sequence. One of it is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which term after the first is obtained by adding constant d, or known common difference preceding terms. The formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Let's go to problem 1. Write the third and fifth terms of an arithmetic sequence. The fourth term is a and the ninth, and the common difference is 2. Solution. We have to find the a sub 1 first by using this formula. A sub 4 equals a sub 1 plus 4 minus 1 times 2. A sub 4 can be substituted in 9. 9 equals a sub 1 plus 4 minus 1 equals 3 times 2. 9 equals a sub 1 plus 6. 9 minus 6 equals a sub 1. Positive 6 can be transferred and become negative 6. 9 minus 6 equals 3 equals a sub 1, or a sub 1 equals 3.
After getting that sub 1,
A sub 3 equals 3 plus 3 minus 1 times 2. Well, 3 plus 2 times 2. Then 3 plus 4 equals 7. The answer is 7. A sub 5 equals 3 plus 5 minus 1 equals times 2. 3 plus 4 times 2. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Let's go to problem 2. Write the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence. The fourth term is 10. And the common difference is 3. Let's find first the a sub 1. A sub 4 equals a sub 1 plus 4 minus 1 times negative 3. 10 equals a sub 1 plus 3 times negative 3. 10 equals a sub 1 plus negative 9. 10 plus 9 equals a sub 1. Negative 9 can be transferred and become positive 9. 10 plus 9, 9 equals 19 equals a sub 1, or a sub 1 equals 19. Let's go to a sub 2. A sub 2 equals 19 plus 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. 19 plus 1 times negative 3. 19 plus negative 3. The answer is 16. Let's go to a sub 3. A sub 3 equals 19 plus 3 minus 1 equals negative 3. 19 plus 2 times negative 3. 19 plus negative 6 equals 13. 13 is the answer. Let's go to problem 3. Write the first 5 terms of an arithmetic in which a sub 1, x, and d equals 2x plus 1. From solution, a sub 2 equals x plus 2 minus 1 times 2x plus 1. X plus 1 times 2x plus 1. X plus 2x plus 1 equals 3x plus 1. A3 or a sub 3 equals x plus 3 minus 1 equals 2x plus 1. X plus 2 times 2x plus 1 equals x plus 4x plus 2. The answer is 5x plus 2. Let's go to a sub 4. A sub 4 equals x plus 4 minus 1 times 2x plus 1 equals x plus 3 times 2x plus 1 equals x plus 6x plus 3. The answer is 7x plus 3. Let's go to A sub 5. X plus 5 minus 1 times 2x plus 1. X plus 4 times 2x plus 1. X plus 8. X plus 4. The answer is 9x plus 4. This is the answer. Let's go to problem 4. Write the first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence in which a sub 1 is x minus y and the common difference is 3y. Solution. A sub 2 equals x minus y plus 2 minus 1 times 3y equals x minus y plus 1 times 3y. X minus y plus 3y. The answer is x plus 2y. Let's go to A sub 3. A sub 3 equals x minus y plus 3 minus 1 times 3y. X minus y plus 2 times 3y equals x minus y plus 6y. The answer is x plus 5y. Let's go to A sub 4. A sub 4 is equal to x minus y plus 4 minus 1 equals times 3y. X minus y plus 3 times 3y equals x minus y plus 9y. The answer is x plus 8y. This is the answer.
That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank
I'm
you.
Rollin.
I'm Rollin H. De Los Reyes, representing in Group 1.